going on? This is Will with Priority Exterior Cleaning. Just wanted to update y'all on this soft wash house wash we did out in Pearl. We removed the mold, mildew, and algae from the vinyl siding, gutters, eaves. This was a good home to clean up. We were able to demonstrate our method. In the previous video, we showed the amount of pressure that is used, which is very minimal. It's very safe and it's very effective. If you're looking to have your home cleaned up for the holidays or in general, give us a call. Our number is 601-966-0731. We specialize in commercial and residential exterior cleaning. You can check us out on YouTube. If you found us here, then you know you can check us out online at www.priorityexteriorcleaning.com. Or you can check us out on Facebook at Priority Exterior Cleaning, LLC. Or if you'd just like to give us a call, our number is 601-966-0731. And we look forward to helping you make your home or business a priority. Thank you.